Understanding the stereochemistry without the model, it is like learning the bicycle without bicycle. Here I have one simple, creative, and the cheapest ever possible method to make a models, stereochemistry models. Everybody can make it and understand the stereochemistry concept. Requirement for this model is potato and matchbox. That's it. Chiral carbon is a carbon which is having 4 different groups. So this is a model. You see there are 4 different groups, tetrahedral geometry it is, and you can color these matchsticks with 4 different colors, so it will become more understandable chiral carbon. Then you can have second, and you can see that they are mirror images of each other, so you can study their property, mirror images of each other, and then you can overlap, and you try to understand that how these chiral carbon are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. You see this is tetrahedral geometry of carbon. We can also study various conformations, and we can study Soh's projection, Fisher projection, as well as we can study that eclipse and staggered conformation with these simple models. If you see what you are seeing, this is eclipse conformation. Then you can rotate this bond, you can see staggered conformation also. When you keep like this, you can study this Soh's projection like this. So this is possible you to study this various conformation. And in case of Fisher projection, we draw like this structure on 2-dimensional paper. That does not mean the structure is 2-dimensional. We can understand like this Fisher projection, the vertical and horizontal line. The vertical line is away from you and horizontal lines are towards you. Now you see this model, you can clearly understand these lines, like this model. This is this Fisher projection. With the Fisher projection, you can understand these 2 groups, horizontal towards you, and these are backside. So you can study Fisher projection as well. So staggered conformation, you see this is a staggered conformation. So you can understand this molecule and how it looks in staggered conformation. And I have some overlook also cyclic and 3D structure, as well as we can understand what is equatorial and axial groups. So this is a cyclic 2D, and then you can understand this is 3D, cyclic 3D structure. Now these groups are axial, these groups are equatorial. So these are equatorial and these are axial. So equatorial, axial. With some little efforts, you can also see chair and boat conformation. With this kind of little modification and efforts, you can have the best model. Thank you.